let's go from this to this. First, let's make the eyebrows disappear. Let's ignore the fact that I look like a thumb right now. Let's conceal because these bags are looking horrendous. I marked out my guidelines with an eyebrow pencil. Now I'm just filling it in with white. Okay, so I've added pink and burgundy eyeshadow to the top and the bottom. Now I'm doing the other eye with that white fading into pink. Adding the black details. Now the look is definitely starting to come together. I'm adding some pink eyeshadow to the center and black right on the inner corners. I don't know why my hands are so shaky today. I can't get this orange line straight. I've gone over it like 5 times. Add some color to my nose. Adding some color around my mouth, and it doesn't need to be neat at all. I'm starting to draw out the shape of the mouth and shade it in with black eyeshadow. Adding some burgundy lipstick. Adding some highlight. Add a little bit of gloss. Okay, who's ready for the end result? All 10. What do you think? It turned out way better than I expected. Does it look like the picture? I kind of love it. I don't want to wipe it off. If you enjoy my videos, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on the next one.